Hey guys, we are on our way to California and we are staying in Montreal at the Hilton Garden. Let's go check it out. Oh, so you walk in. Oh, look, whole bunch of storage space. Nice, nice. We'll turn this way to the bathroom. Oh, it was renovated, obviously. The bathroom's very pretty. Looks very clean. Old style tub, but clean nonetheless. There's our shampoos, conditioners, shower gel. All right. Full length mirror. Coffee station. And microwave. So you walk in and this is what you see. And boom, very big room. 2 queens. We have our little guy on the vacation with us. Very large desk area. Lights, USBs. Let's turn them on. And swivel. Very pretty. Carpets seem really clean. TV in the middle, chair to sit and do some work, and a shies in the corner. So it seems very nice. We're gonna sleep for the night and then we are off to California. So we'll tell you how the beds are tomorrow morning. Good night.